Airsofters. My name is Rev from God's Tactical Force, and I'm here to do a Airsoft loadout review. Let's start out with my gun. I have the Lancer Tactical Knights Armament License PDW that came with a high-capacity magazine, which I actually use as a backup. I actually run mid-caps, which I'll get to a little later. Came with the peg box. I bought this extra forward grip and this Voodoo Tactical 1-point sling. So that's my gun with the NC Star red dot. From head to toe. So first, I guess we're going to start out with these since I don't have anything on my head. These are the Mechanic Impact 2s. Got them from the hardware store. They work really well. Got these felt grips on the index and thumb. Feel really good. When you get shot, you don't feel anything on your hands, and they're really good protection. Going down, I have the Voodoo Tactical tan and darker tan. I guess you could call it a whiter, darker tan. Got the tan Shemagh to protect my neck and my back in the back of my neck. Going down, I have the Griffin Tactical Chest Rig. I run 5 mid-capacity magazines and a high-capacity magazine that goes inside of my gun, which I use as a backup. These are really the ones that I use first, and then when I run out of these, then I go to my high-capacity magazine, so it's more realistic. Moving down, I have the Griffin Tactical Dragon Spire belt system. Came with a dump pouch for my mid-capacity magazines, and it came with two M4 capacity, any type of M4 magazine which you want to put in there. I hold a speed loader in here just so that in case I run out of BBs or ammunition on the field, I can go ahead and pop my speed loader out, get it in my gun super fast. I just have a normal Under Armour on. Feels free. I can run. I feel good. It keeps me cool, so I don't have to wear anything else. I'm not saying that's a bad thing to wear a fleece jacket like my good buddy Chief, but I'm just saying if you want to be a little freer, if you want to be a little faster, then you can go ahead and wear this. On my back, I have a High Sierra backpack, just a normal backpack that I got from a store, just to protect my back, and it looks pretty dang cool in my loadout. On my knees, I have the Condor Tactical knee pads. They feel really great. Taking a BB to a knee really hurts if you're going to go ahead and kneel, if you're going to slide for playing CQB outdoor. It doesn't matter. I suggest going out and buying yourself some tactical knee pads. So, with that being said, this was Rev's loadout review. Thanks for watching.